If you've spent the last month watching 1,000 AI videos but haven't actually made a dollar, we need to fix that. Today I'm showing you the 3 AI mistakes keeping you broke and exactly how to fix it. First mistake most people make when trying to learn AI, ironically, is constantly learning. YouTube's an absolute goldmine of knowledge to learn from every conceivable skill, including all 5 quintillion AI tools and automation methods. But oh my god, can it be an addictive, bewitching temptress? Just watch one more, you're learning something new. And what about all these recommended related videos alongside? And next thing you know, it's 3 a.m. and you haven't built anything or even come up with a concrete goal of what you're wanting to achieve, let alone found a new paying client. The second mistake is trying to stay up to date with every single thing that is happening in AI every day. AI is turbocharged, constantly new models, shiny new things appearing daily, and that's only going to exponentially keep increasing. There are giant YouTube channels dedicated to purely keeping us up to date with everything that is going on in AI, and even they don't cover every last thing. The issue with this is it's an impossible task to stay up to date. There is no end state, apart from possibly once our AGI robot overlords emerge from the ether and enslave us all. But in terms of keeping us up to date with AI, there is no 100% complete moment that you or I are going to reach. And that in itself is okay. What's not so okay is how easy it is to trick yourself into believing that you're being productive by staying up to date with all the latest AI news, releases, new AI tools dropping, which we often have the best of intentions about. Oh, I could use this new model to build XYZ thing. Oh, I could use this new AI tool to get more clients, way better than with the old AI tool that I learned about before. But if we don't take action, then it's a moot point. And honestly, I get it. It's super interesting to learn about all this new stuff every day, and we do need to keep a handle on generally what is changing in AI because it can and will impact us all in our businesses. But man, much like mistake one, the constant learning of new skills, keeping up with every little minute AI model update and millionth new AI tool launch can soak up time like nothing else. And for many of you who aren't yet earning decent money from your businesses, or in some cases are yet to get your first client, you can't afford to waste time. AI is awesomely powerful and it can enable you and I who do understand that to do epic things for other businesses. And by doing that, get paid really well. Our own business earning power is just a reflection of how much value we're able to provide others after all. Well, as long as we're pricing correctly, but that's a whole nother rabbit hole. But it's crucial to remember that if we have learned a set of skills and abilities, AI or otherwise, that are useful to other people or businesses, then our first priority is to get clients and not keep hoarding skills and knowledge forever. I've got more videos coming about all of that, which touch on what I've learned from setting up my own profitable business and what I continue to focus on as I grow my agency over time. So stay tuned for that and we'll get you earning using your AI skills in no time. Third mistake is where people do start building things, but due to either AI shiny object syndrome or perfectionism or some other reason, they'll basically leave a trail of half-built tools and automations in their wake, like a half-built graveyard of things which aren't providing value or being sold to anyone and which aren't bringing in any revenue for your business. This was something which actually plagued me in the past, especially with other areas of interest. For instance, fun fact, when I was obsessed with building indie mobile games some years back, and while I did get a couple of decently popular titles out, including getting on Apple's Games We Love list, which was cool, I just left a monstrous graveyard of half-built prototype games and things which never saw the light of day, and which never made me any money as a result. Thankfully, I'm a little older and wiser now. And as a result of trying to do better there, I'm more focused with my business, both with the lead generation and the AI aspects of it, to build out things that provide real value to people and businesses and not be afraid of failure or paralyzed by perfectionism or just building a bunch of half-finished things that don't provide any business value. It might sound obvious, but it's very real when you experience it for the first time. Just using your know-how and skills to put something in place quickly for another business, which saves them time and money, and even better, brings in more money for them, is going to get you paid every time. Doing this, I'm providing value with my business and I'm continuing to get paid more each month as a result. I'm still not where I want to be, but I have big goals and that's a good thing, I think. So what does all this mean? And what's the answer? One simple thing. You're going to take action today. Start with something. It doesn't have to be anything insanely complicated or something which can scale. Think how much of a confidence boost it's going to be to get your first paying customer, like how much that will prove to you and in fact, to the next person you speak to once you have a great testimonial of what you've achieved for the first. Create something which you know has the ability to provide value to someone, the minimum viable product. Craft an offer that they would be stupid to pass up on. But don't just leave it there. Go find your first client. Reach out to everyone in your network, everyone in your phone contacts, companies you've dealt with previously. Identify specific companies to reach out to who would benefit from what you're offering and hit them up. Phone, email, DM, even in person. Do not stop until you get someone who says yes to having a meeting to hear more about what you're offering to do for them, and then just make them realize how much of a no-brainer it is to say yes. Now you know what is needed, but you might be wondering where to even start. Watch this video next where I show you how to vibe code a beautiful high-converting landing page for free in 6 minutes that sends leads into a Google Sheet and also instantly emails the client the lead. Subscribe now. There's so much free value coming your way, it's insane. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.